Hello everyone, Dardo Love here again, and today is Saturday, and today is National Love Day, and you guys should spend time with your loved ones. Let them know that you love them and care for them, and just spread the love throughout your family, throughout people you work with. Just you ain't gotta say I love you. Just compliment them or something. Just make them feel good because today is a loving day. Well, anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little quick gameplay for you guys. The name of the game is White Noise, and I hope you enjoy. Let's get it. Let's get it. Alright, White Noise. It's a horror game. Alright. I gotta find all the tape recorders. And hopefully I don't. I see one. Don't want to run into the ghost. It's so dark. Oh gosh! There he is. There he is. There he is. There he is. Get away from him. Alright, I think I made it away. I believe when it starts to get more staticky, I believe the ghost is nearby. Oh, there's a tape recorder right there. Two out. Oh god! Damn, that scared the. Oh my goodness. Oh. Hey. Let's try this again. Goodness gracious. I ain't gonna lie. That literally made me jump. Alright, come on. Where's your tape recorder? This looks like a good place for one somewhere. Come on, there has to be one around here somewhere. Maybe on the other side. Oh, there's one. I see it. Grab it. Nope. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, I see him. I seen him. Go, 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 go. Get away, get away, get away, get away. Oh gosh, I can't run. Man, this is intense. Maybe if I see him, if I turn my light out, maybe that. Alright, here's some rocks. It's a weird looking rock that kind of looks like a face, sort of. There it is. Oh gosh, please don't jump out and scare me. Oh man, I should have hooked my headphones up for this one to get the full effect. I see a rock over there. Right. The grass looks all wavy like. Okay. No? Come on. Oh God! Oh, I see him! I see him! Oh gosh! Turn my light out. Goodness gracious. Oh my God. I don't know if my heart can take this. There's some water. I don't know if that stack means I'm getting close to a recorder or the ghost ain't is close. Oh, I see it, I see it, I see it. Okay. Alright. Guys, I had a little jump there. Oh, gosh. My heart's still pounding from that scare. I love scary games though. I can't lie. It's just something about it. Gets your blood going. But I'm going to go ahead and end this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a lovely, loving day with your family members and loved ones. You guys know what to do. Go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel, Dardo Love. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Mwah.